When you first turn the headset on, it's going to ask you to confirm the floor level. Look at the blue grid in front of you. It should automatically go to the floor. If not, grab the blue gridded line with your grip button and pull it down till your remote touches the floor. It's then going to ask you whether you want to create a stationary boundary or you want to create a room scale boundary. A stationary boundary will allow you to immediately start playing in the program. However, you won't be able to move around. You have to stay stationary. Room scale boundary will allow you to draw a large space for you to essentially free roam in. This space can be fairly large. If you choose room scale, with your trigger finger, you'll need to draw the outline of your play area connecting the two lines. Once you finish, it's going to ask you to confirm your play area, confirm your boundary, and then the program is going to start. So you come to this screen, you need to click on the Oculus home button on your right remote. You come to this area, you then click down on apps. Opens up here, you should see all up the top, or what you need to do is click on that. Scroll down to unknown. You then have our point of care ultrasound trainer, our IC grant trainer, which includes our Medivac and a construction first aid scenario, real MCI, a golf game to have a bit of fun with, and a shooting game which is fun but can give you a bit of nausea. You can also see these other programs that we have over here. There's just a bunch of other programs